In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a YouTube Premium gift card. First things first, it's important to understand that YouTube Premium gift cards don't directly pay for YouTube services. Instead, they add money to your Google Play balance. This balance is then used for your premium subscription payments. Knowing this helps prevent any confusion later on. Let's begin by opening a web browser of your choice. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, any modern browser will work just fine. Once your browser is open, navigate to youtube.com/redeem. This is the official page where you can redeem your gift card and add its value to your Google Play balance. After reaching the page, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Use the account associated with your YouTube Premium subscription. This is crucial because it ensures the funds are applied correctly. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure your login details are correct to avoid any access issues. Once you're signed in, you'll see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type the code from your gift card. It's usually a series of letters and numbers. Make sure to double-check your entry for any mistakes. Typos can lead to errors in the redemption process. After entering the code, click on the Next button. This step verifies the code and prepares it for redemption. At this point, you'll be asked to confirm the redemption. Take a moment to review the information displayed on the screen. This is your chance to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Once you're confident, confirm the redemption. You will see a confirmation message appear, letting you know the transaction was successful. This step is crucial as it ensures that the money is added to your Google Play balance. Remember, the gift card becomes Google Play credit first. It doesn't directly pay for YouTube services. This design offers flexibility, as the credit can be used not just for YouTube Premium, but also YouTube Music Premium and YouTube TV. This means you have a variety of entertainment options available to you. After the money is added to your Google Play balance, it will automatically be used for your next YouTube Premium bill. You won't need to do anything extra. It's a seamless process that ensures your subscription remains active without interruption. One final note. Always keep your gift card and confirmation message until you're sure the funds are applied. This provides a safeguard in case you need to reference them later. And there you have it, a simple process to pay with a YouTube Premium gift card. With this knowledge, you're ready to enjoy uninterrupted access to YouTube Premium and its many benefits. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your ad-free experience with YouTube Premium.